July 8th, 2020. Soon I read a call from a guy. He says his outside shower is not working and needs to be replaced. It's down in the area where there's a lot of summer homes, and last year the maintenance guys, they usually went around and winterized all the outside showers, but I guess this area, the maintenance guy got fired last fall or something, and a lot of the stuff didn't get done. Wasn't done right, put it that way. So, there's been a lot of issues over here with outside faucets and showers that all been frozen and never winterized. And so I'm thinking that's probably what happened. It was never done right. So we'll go over there and we'll see what's going on with it. I don't know what the situation is until I get there and look at it. Can I fix it? Maybe I can fix it. Maybe I can't. We'll take a look-see and see if we can get the guy straightened out. Steve is working again, yo. Steve is working again, mama. All right, so the only parts he leaves are these parts. He took the whole guts and everything out of it, so I'm just going to replace the whole valve. I got a new one. Here. I'll just put a new valve in. So what we're going to do is we'll just take this off for now. And take this apart, unsweat it, and put the new one in. Take this off for now. First thing I'll do is heat this up, pop this out, get the top out. I told the homeowner he couldn't fix it. I don't know where's all the parts. So I guess I gotta replace it. We'll rebuild it, so I'll put a new one in there. When in doubt, cut it out. When in doubt, cut it out. Should pop out now. Yo, how you doing, mama? Yo, how you doing? This one's got stops. You can see it's got stops, so cut a little bit off there. Give it to you. How you doing, Mama? Can't believe the maintenance guy took all the parts. It's like, what the flip, guy? I mean, you can't be taking parts. How am I supposed to fix it with no parts? And I had parts of the truck, but I don't want to start using my new stuff for something that might not be any good. I mean, really? It's not too kosher. And we'll try it again, Mama. When in doubt, we rip it out. We got the cover. We don't need this because this is the sealant for a wall, right? You need the 2 screws and you need this device. This is an older valve that I had in the truck, so the new ones are different now. This is one of the old style. See, it's got internal stops on this one. Get the blue paper off. And this goes like this. This goes in like this. volume control here. What they call a boiler drain. 1/2 inch. That's a 3/8 socket. That should take that off. That's what they call an inverted. That's what they call an inverted plug. It's for a shower, but we're gonna take it out and put a drain on it because it's outside here, right? Inverted plug. So when they winterize it in the winter, you can just open that and drain it, right? I don't know if this. Hopefully I got no leaks here. We'll find out. Looks like that might be a leaker. I'll go turn the water on downstairs and see if it leaks. I'll leave that bracket on the inside for it. Should be fine. He put this little personal shower thing on there himself. Oh, look at these solid jobs. Yeehaw! See if we get it to turn on. It's a little dark down here, but look at that for a snot. Look at that for a solid job. Yeehaw! Well, they're not leaking, that's all I care about. And this molly is working again, y'all. No leaks. This is the volume control here. Really don't make much of a difference, does it? Not really. That's it. Make sure it gets warm before I go. Just wanted to make sure it gets warm before I go, you know.